Hey everyone, welcome back to the Den Fireworks. Today's video we're doing Risin Stallion by Elite Fireworks. This is a 16-shot, 200-gram cake underneath their Texas Rogue line. Looking at the front here, they say it's 16 shots, up to 200 grams, with up to 115 feet in height. Elite is brand new up here in New Hampshire. I went up there, talked to Valmir, and I decided to try out a bunch of their Elite product to start. I'm still not sure if I did a good investment or not. I'm hoping that this product is really good because their prices on their house brand is really nice and they can get the case options. On the back panel here, we have a couple little stock photos of some of the brakes. It says it has Palm, Strobe, and Crackle, with blazing red and metallic silver. And for performance is fresh color palm tree with silver strobe, all crackling tail. I haven't seen a bunch of demos on Elite product, so I really want to see it for myself, listen to it, and I am excited to check out the new player in the state. So if we take the top off on this cake, we can see we've got a 4x4 pattern on this. There are spacers in between all of these tubes. We probably could have shrunk this 200-gram cake down. The plugs are pretty high up on this cake. So let's take this out back, light it up, and see if, yes, I'm going to keep buying more Elite product, or if we're going to give it a pass and buy their other brands. Thanks, everyone. Risin Stallion. Risin Stallion.